Hey y'all, little BTS here in Nashville. Finna get ready to speak.
Most young entrepreneurs in Tennessee are juggling a 9-to-5 or school while building their business. How do you handle the guilt of resting on social media tells us we have to grind 24/7 to be successful in this economy?
Woo, okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna need y'all to wake up. So when I say equity, y'all say alliance. Equity? Alliance. Equity? Alliance. Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Great. So my name is Bree-Ze Coleman, also known as Miss Frazier. I am a serial entrepreneur. I'm the president of Memphis Urban League Young Professionals. I run a nonprofit, the BSOU Foundation, where we focus on teaching entrepreneurship and personal and professional development to youth and minorities, such as many of us in this room. So to answer your question, very loaded, being that I just stated I'm a serial entrepreneur, I started my first business at 12 years old, right? No idea what was going on, but when you start a business, it becomes legitimate once you start making some money, right? Right. So I started making some money real early on, and I think just over the years, being very persistent. I know as Brittany mentioned earlier, talking about the ghettos and the hoods, I grew up in all of the above that you can think of when we're talking about the city of Memphis. Literally all of them, Foot Home, Claiborne Home, Dixon Home, all of them, all of South Memphis, all of them, right? And so really having to start from nothing, you have this grit and grind in you. And as you said, when it comes to social media, I think unfortunately they glorify the hustle by showing us all these fancy materialistic things that everyone has. But the reality is, who's actually sitting to take a break, right? That's the image that it portrays to you. And so I myself am still trying to figure out how to balance that guilt of needing to rest. I think for me, I have a very unique perspective. 2 years ago now, I was diagnosed with what is called narcolepsy, type 1 with cataplexy. And so essentially my body decides to shut down whenever it wants to. I have no choice in the matter. There is no warning for it. Every and anything is a trigger for it. And so in this diagnosis, I've had to really sit down and force myself to accept rest, because if I don't, my body will do it for me. And although I have this underlying condition that forces me, it can happen to anybody. Anybody's body at any time can tell you sit down, can tell you to rest. And I think also in that, being a creative, you have to really know that rest is essential to success. Like, it gives you the opportunity to reboot, to think, to process, to be creative later on. So rest is definitely a tool that everyone needs to use.